Welcome to this video. In this video, we will discuss how to sort this series through bubble sort. So here you can see that these are weekdays names, that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So at the first instance, first image, you can say that series is sorted because Sunday comes first and Monday comes after Sunday, and similarly Tuesday comes after Monday. But at sorting, it's not sorted. Point is why it is not sorted, because if you can see by eyes that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are in sorted order, but through computer programming concept, it is not sorted. Why it is not sorted? Because Sunday is not Sunday for computer. Sunday means it's just letters. SUN is just letter for computer. It's not Sunday. So these are just letters for computer, your programming language. So for programming language or your computer, it should be sorted. It's not sorted. So here S and M, T, W, R should be compared. But here T and T should be again will be compared. Then if T and T are same, means first letter are same, then you have to compare with the second letter. So let's see how to sort this series through bubble sort. So now we will sort this series through bubble sort. So in this sorting, we will sort through phase wise. So first phase is phase. So in the first phase, step 1 is we have to write the same series Now we have to compare this Sunday with Monday. So first letter should be compared with the first letter of the second element. So S is the bigger element. It means S comes later as compared in M in the alphabet series. So S is big and M is small. So it will be interchanged. So in the next step, Monday will come first, and Sunday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. Now in the next third step, Sunday will be compared with Tuesday. So here S will be compared with T because T comes later after S. So it is already sorted. So here Monday will be compared with Tuesday. So it will not be changed. So Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday. Because it was no change, so Tuesday will be compared with Wednesday. So Tuesday will be compared with Wednesday. So T should be compared with W because W is bigger than T, so it will again remain same. So Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now Wednesday will be compared with Thursday because W comes after T. So T will be interchanged with W. W means this Thursday will be replaced with Wednesday and Wednesday will be here. So in the next step, Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday. Here we have interchanged Friday and then Saturday. Next, Wednesday will be compared with Friday. Here you can see W comes later in comparison to F. So it will be interchanged. So Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, then Wednesday, and then Saturday. Now Wednesday will be compared with Saturday. Again W comes later in comparison to S, so it will be changed. Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Wednesday. Now you can see in the series the biggest element is now at the current position. Current position means final position. Now we have to reiterate the process. Reiteration means phase 2 will be started, and in the phase 2 we have to select this series. So let's see. Phase 2, step first. Series is Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Wednesday. Now again we have to compare with this. Monday is compared with Sunday because M is smaller than S, so it will remain same. So in the next step, Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Wednesday. So now Sunday will be compared with Tuesday. So here S and T comes later in comparison to S, so it will be remain same. So step 3, now Friday, Saturday, and Wednesday. Now again Tuesday will be compared with Thursday, but T is same with T, so if both letters are same, then you have to compare with the next element. So element means next letter, so U will be compared with H. So H is smaller than U, so Thursday will be here and Tuesday will be here. So in the next step, Monday, Sunday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and Wednesday. Now Tuesday will be compared with Friday. So T comes after F. So F means Friday will be replaced with Tuesday. So in the next step, Monday, Sunday, Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, Saturday, Wednesday. Now Tuesday will be compared with Saturday. Of course, it should be compared, and T comes later in the comparison of Saturday. So Monday, Sunday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now again Wednesday will be compared with Tuesday will be compared with Wednesday, but it is already sorted, so you have to sort the same element, but it will not be changed. So in the next phase you have to iterate with this series. So phase 3 will be step first, Monday, Sunday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So now Monday will be compared with Sunday. M comes first in comparison to S, so it will be remain same. Then Monday, Sunday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Sunday will be compared with Thursday. So again it's sorted. S comes first in comparison to T. So in the next step, Monday, Sunday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now Thursday will be compared with Friday. So F comes first in comparison to T. So it should be interchange. Monday, Sunday, Friday, Thursday, Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So now Thursday will be compared with Saturday. T comes after S, so it will be interchanged. Step 5, Monday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So now Thursday will be compared with Tuesday, but it is sorted already, so it will not be interchanged. So again in the next step you have to compare Tuesday with Wednesday, but it will be same. So we have to go for phase 4. Now let's continue for phase 4. Here we have noted step 1 here. So again we have to compare Monday with Sunday, and because it is already sorted, so step 2, Monday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Sunday will be compared with Friday, means S will be compared with F. So S is bigger than F, so F will be replaced here, means Friday will be here and Sunday will be here. So in the third step, Monday, Friday, Sunday, Saturday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So now Sunday will be compared with Saturday, and here you can see both are S, both are equal. So what to do? U will be compared with A, but A comes first in comparison to U. So this Saturday will be here and Sunday will be here. So now in the next step, Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So now Sunday and Thursday will be compared, but it is already sorted because S is smaller than T, and T will be compared with here this T, and if both T are same, then H will be compared by U. So here you can see H is smaller than U, so U will be counted as of course a bigger number, and then Tuesday will be compared with Wednesday. So because T is smaller than W, so it will be counted as sorted. So here I am leaving this series, but you have to sort, means you have to compare the all possible comparisons. So after all you will find the same series. In the another example you can see that January, February means month name. So it may be asked in your exam that is January, February, March, April, May, June and so on up to December can be compared. You should not think that January is smaller and February is bigger. No, you should compare with J with F and then F with M. So it should be in such a way. Like June and July, again J and J are same. So JU and JU both second element is same. You can see here June and July. So when you are comparing J with J, it will be equal. So in the next, U will be compared with U. Again, it's equal. Here, N is compared with L. So L is smaller than N because L comes first and N comes later. So July will be counted as a smaller element. So July should be first. July should be first and then June. It will be like this. So I hope this video is now clear to you, topic is clear to you, like if weekdays names are given to you, so how to sort with bubble sort. So if you like this video, please share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.